Right. A very good evening, Team Zimbabwe. Masquera say, I'm back so that we can talk because we need to talk up to 2023 elections. That is our mandate. We are banned to ZBC. So when we are banned to ZBC, we do everything on our own platforms because we need to communicate as a people. So let us take a look at what this man went through in kuGokwe. It's so inhuman for ZANU PF. This is the reason why we always say ZANU PF does not have any authority or any mandate to speak on behalf of the people because they do the unthinkable to the citizens of this country. Let us get to this story and you hear for yourself. So guys, you have seen for yourself that man narrating how they bent him. If you look at that leg, it's something which is not so good. Honestly speaking, okay, Anzina Coletta, I can't hear him. Okay, let me try to fix the volume here so that let me see if we can fix the volume because I don't know what.
Cruiser. Ndichiti cruiser yacho kuti isaiwo kana kuti chii asi but marwadzo avandiitaka
vakupisai nei izvo zviri kutyisa kudai nei vakupisai nei baba
vandirovera mumapfihwa ndobva ndatsva nemoto.
Guys, just look at this.
Sure.
How much has been burnt?
Sure.
This is terrible. I tell you, these thugs, they really want to kill people.
I'm struggling now. Yes,
Wait. Sorry, sure, Baba.
Mama.
Sorry.
Satorama sei nenyika yeZimbabwe yedu. Tinoda kuti tirarame vanangoka.
Hapana hospital. Munonzani?
Tivama ndiso.
Muri kuno kuGokwe kabuyini tuzeti makuwara sei?
Ndabva kune mbudzi yakundokumba kwangu. Tichiuya kuno zotinamidza vaChamisa. Asi tasvika kuno tabviridzwa nemaZANU PF. Apo pakati apo ndomba tabviridzwa ndazosvika pakonda mbomhanya mudoroko nokuda kwetisheti. Asi ndazove pakati apa pano ndatopana pasenda panapo ndipo ndadzikisiwe ipapo imota yecruiser. Ndichiti cruiser yacho kuti isaiwo kana kuti chii asi but marwadzo avandiitaka.
Vakupisai nei izvo zviri kutyisa kudai nei vakupisai nei baba
vandirovera mumapfihwa ndobva ndatsva nemoto.
Guys, just look at this.
Sure.
How much has been burnt?
Sure.
This is terrible. I tell you, these thugs, they really want to kill people.
I'm struggling now. Yes,
Maybe. Sorry, sure, Baba.
Mama.
Sorry.
Satorama sei nenyika yeZimbabwe tinoda kuti tirarame vanangu.
So guys, you have seen for yourself. Thank you very much, Coletta and because sometimes ndesiri kunzwa from my audio system. Maybe I will need to add some equipment like my headphones. So I am still trying to find some resources to add so that I can monitor my system directly here. So Team Zimbabwe, you have seen the state of this man. Honestly speaking, myself, I'm in pain. I'm in pain actually watching that video, that man narrating. This is an adult who is just narrating this issue, but honestly speaking, it's so painful, so painful. How can somebody treat somebody like this because of politics? Because of politics, because of power politics, you are treating somebody like this. Honestly, guys, this is the reason why Itai Zamara hasn't been accounted for up to this day. This is the reason why even Kukura Wundi victims haven't been accounted for up to this day. We have not accounted for the perpetrators up to this day. Let us look at the Marabachina victims. Let us look at the people who killed Vanarashiwe Guja and so many people. It's because we have people who just put the laws into their own hands. They do whatever they want, and they do whatever they think is necessary to the people, to other people, because they don't see us as humans. These guys, they don't see us as humans at all. How can you just do something like that to a fellow human being? Guys, honestly speaking, this is somebody's father, somebody's husband, somebody's son, and you have the guts to actually do that to him. It's so painful. I feel in my stomach some cramps of pain. Honestly speaking, this is not proper. This is not good. And how honestly? So ZANU-PF is so inhuman. ZANU-PF is so evil to an extent of actually sacrificing a human being, a citizen of Zimbabwe, for the sake of power, for the sake of wanting to continue to loot. It's so painful in Zimbabwe. Let us register to vote, because 2023, we cannot miss this opportunity. This is the only opportunity we have to change things. We can't miss that opportunity in 2023, no matter what. Let us register to vote. Let us do whatever we can to make sure that in 2023, we deliver the much needed change. And let us make sure that we send Advocate Nelson Chamisa to State House. State House. How? You vote for the councillor, you vote for the MP, then you vote for the president. That is how we can send Advocate Nelson Chamisa to Parliament, so to State House. That is the only way out. That is the only way to bring that kind of Zimbabwe we all desire, we all want. So I don't want to take much of your time. I'm in pain. You have seen it for yourself, the situation in kuGokwe. And if ZANU-PF wins this election, these are the results. It's because of coercion. It's because of intimidation. It's because of actually beating people. This is it. So, Team Zimbabwe, I don't want to take much of your time. In the comment section, let us talk.